Muling nasa tuktok ng NFL ang Philadelphia Eagles matapos mapanalunan ang Super Bowl 59 nitong Lunes ng umaga, oras sa Pilipinas. Balikan natin ang mga kaganapan sa ulat ni teammate Rafael Bandayrel.
Hinirang na kampiyon ang Philadelphia Eagles matapos padapain ang Kansas City Chiefs 40-22 sa pinakamalaking sports event sa Estados Unidos ngayong taon, ang Super Bowl 59 na idinaos sa New Orleans, Louisiana. Kinoronahan bilang Finals Most Valuable Player ang star quarterback ng Eagles na si Jalen Hurts matapos makompleto ang 2 touchdown passes na malaking dahilan kung bakit nanalo ang Philadelphia.
It's been a long journey. It's been a journey of ups and downs and highs and lows, and I've always stayed true to it in the end, and having this vision of just being the best that I can be, and that evolving over time into this desire and this flame inside to win. And you don't do great things without the guys around you. The effort, the work, always leaning on that, trusting in that, and trusting the process, and staying the course, and sticking to the script.
Ito na ang ikalawang titulo ng Eagles na dumating 7 taon matapos ang kanilang maiden championship. Bukod pa riyan, napigilan din ng Eagles ang 3-peat attempt ng Chiefs kaya wala pa rin nakakagawa nito sa kasaysayan ng NFL. Mahigpit na depensa naman ang ipinamalas ng Philly upang limitahan ang 3-time MVP ng Kansas City na si Patrick Mahomes. Aminado si Mahomes na nakadidismaya talaga ang naging resulta ng laro at inako niya ang sisi matapos ang masamang pagkatalo ng kanyang koponan.
Anytime you lose a Super Bowl, it's the worst feeling in the world. They'll stick with you the rest of your career. I mean, these will be the 2 losses that will motivate me to be even better for the rest of my career, because you only get so few of these, and you have to capitalize on these, and they hurt probably more than the wins feel good.
Samantala, kabilang din sa highlights ng Super Bowl 59 ang engrandeng halftime show, kung saan bumida si hip-hop superstar at Pulitzer Prize winner Kendrick Lamar. Tinugtog ni Lamar ang ilan sa kanyang hits tulad ng Not Like Us, Humble at Luther kasama ang singer-songwriter na si SZA. Rafael Bandayrel para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.